Good morning, students. Today we are reading two stories about flying, and second part we are going to read this, The Black Aeroplane. Okay, so this is a mysterious story. Why it is mysterious? So we will read in this chapter. Okay, in this chapter, the writer of this is the Frederick Forsyth, and he was flying a Dakota aeroplane. Okay, so suddenly he was caught in a big cloud, and his compass, radio, and all the instruments which are present in the aeroplane, they are failed to work. So he was in the that black cloud, and nobody is there. Only that aeroplane is there, and how he helped him. So we will going to read in this chapter. Okay, so the black aeroplane, the moon was coming up in the east, means this is time of night. So the moon was coming in the east, means it is in the east, and behind me means he is opposite, going to west side. Okay, and stars were shining in the clear sky above me. At that time the weather is very clear, and the stars in the sky, they are shining. There was not a cloud in the sky, means no cloud is there. Weather is a very clear. I was happy to be alone high up above the sleeping countryside. So he was everybody is sleeping, and he was very good mood, and I was flying my old Dakota airplane. So he was narrator Frederick. He was flying a old Dakota airplane over the France. Okay, France, and he was going to England. I was dreaming of my holiday, and when he was flying, so he was dreaming of holiday and looking forward to being with my family. And he was thinking ki after this flying uh, over, I will be with my family. And I look at my watch, and when he see his watch, it was 1:30 in the morning. Okay, so he was very in happy mood. So I should call Paris control soon. So he was flying. So I thought, as I looked down past the nose of the aeroplane, I saw the lights of the big city in the front of me. So when he looked downward, so he saw the lights of the Paris. I watched on the radio and said, Paris control Dakota. As you know, the language spoken by the pilot in this way. Paris control Dakota DS 088 here. Can you hear me? I am on my way to England. And he will say over. Means after completing his sentence, they used to say over. जब भी उनका sentence complete हो जाता है pilot, so they used to say over. Okay, so the voice from the radio answered me. So answer come immediately. DS 088, I can hear you, यानी मैं आपको सुन सकती हूँ. You ought to turn 12 degree west now. DS 088 over. So he is asking to how he will move. So there is a compass present in the aeroplane. So he will tell about the location where he was. So she was telling about to turn in the west 12 degree. So I checked my map and the compass, switched over to my second and last fuel tank, and turned the Dakota 12 degree west towards the England, because he moving to which city? He was moving to England. So he checked the map and compass. उसने check किया map को और compass को, और switch over to my second, means there are tank fuel tank. So he फर्स्ट वॉज एम्प्टी, तो सेकंड में जो है लास्ट फ्यूल वॉज जो है उसने अपना जो है लगा लिया. एंड टर्न्ड ओवर टू माई इंग्लैंड, एंड ही मूव 12 degree in the west towards the England. I will be in time for the breakfast, because it's 1:30 and he was very happy that he will be in the time and he will take the breakfast. I thought a good big English breakfast. Everything was going well. It was an easy flight. He was thinking because weather is a fine and he was enjoying that flight, and he is saying it was an easy flight for him. Paris was about 150 kilometer behind me. Now he crossed the Paris. So it 150 kilometer he had flying. When I saw the clouds, storm clouds, they were huge. Huge means very big. They looked like black mountains standing in the front of me across the sky. As he crossed 150 kilometer Paris, and what he saw a black mountains, जो है बड़े बड़े जो उसे क्लाउड्स दिखे दिए, और वो कैसे लग रहे थे कि बड़ी बड़ी जो है ब्लैक माउंटेन्स हैं इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी अक्रॉस द स्काई, और जो है बादलों में उसको बड़े बड़े जो है काले जो बादल हैं वो एक पहाड़ों की तरह उसको नज़र आते हैं. आई न्यू आई कुड नॉट फ्लाई अप एंड ओवर दैम एंड आई डिड नॉट हैव एनफ फ्यूल to fly around them to north or south. Means he was flying, so big clouds are there, means he is not having a much fuel in his aeroplane, so he can there are these big clouds are there, so he thinking that he will be crossing from there and he will be crossing this way south and north. It will not possible for him that he will be cross, because he is not having a much fuel in his tank, because he is using the last tank which is present in his aeroplane. Okay, so I ought to go back to Paris. So he was thinking, okay, there is no fuel, so I should go back to the Paris. I thought, but I wanted to get home because he was very excited to go home. So I wanted that breakfast. He was very वो वहाँ अपना जो है इंग्लैंड जाना चाहता था and have that breakfast. I will take the risk. So he was taking that I will take the risk. जो भी है मुश्किल है, but I will take that risk. I thought means he will not moving back to the Paris. He will going to England. I thought I flew that old Deckard straight in the storm. So what he decided that he will not going in north side or the west. He will cross straight to this. He will be crossing this black clouds. Okay, inside the cloud everything was suddenly black. When he was entered in that black cloud, so what happened, everything was suddenly become black. Everything black clouds are there, काले बादल थे. So काला मतलब उसको नज़र आया. It was impossible to see anything outside the aeroplane. So aeroplane के बाहर देखना, he cannot visual anything. It is impossible to see him. That कुछ भी उसको नज़र नहीं आ रहा था, सिर्फ black. The old aeroplane jumped and twisted. जो है वो जंप हुआ और ट्विस्ट हुआ, थोड़ा सा मुड़ा इन जो है in the air. I looked at the compass. What he see? He looked at that compass. I could not believe what he is not believing. My eyes, the compass was turning round and round. Means the aeroplane which having the compass is showing the in which direction he should move. So that is not giving any direction. That is moving round and round, and it was dead. It was not working. Means the compass was not working. It would not work. The other instrument suddenly dead. Compass also dead and other instruments they were also dead. वो भी जो है ख़त्म हो गए थे. I tried the radio. Then he go to the radio.